Bible says, book of Hebrew chapter 13 verse 8 says that Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forever. God's nature never be changed because He is real. One who come to God, he must believe that He is. Yes, God is. He is. Because He is omniscient, all-knowing God. He is omnipotent, all-powerful God. And He is omnipresent. God is everywhere. Yahweh. He is the Yahweh. Because He is the God of past and present and future. Emmanuel. God is with us. His name is Jesus. Believe in Him and receive Him and see the experience of God in your life. Bible says that whoever believes in Him, they shall be saved. At the name of Jesus, every knee shall bow, that every tongue confess that Jesus Christ is the Lord. Believe in Him, you shall see the glory of Jesus. That whoever believes in Him, children of God, that you have a Christ Jesus, that you have an eternal Father, His name is Jesus. God be with you. God bless you.